Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator offers visual cues, typically upward or downward pointing arrows that simplify the interpretation of RSI based signals and make overbought and oversold conditions easier to spot. In this video, you will see how the arrows are generated, how they appear on the chart, and which RSI based trading applications are described. The RSI Arrow Indicator is built on the Relative Strength Index, a popular oscillator that measures the speed and magnitude of price changes to identify overbought and oversold conditions. Rather than requiring traders to interpret RSI line movements manually, this indicator generates arrows on the chart when specific RSI conditions are met, such as crossing overbought or oversold thresholds or reversing from extreme levels. The visual arrow system is designed to reduce interpretation time and provide clear, actionable signals directly on the price chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and just like that, we have the indicator installed on our chart. And it's quite easy to interpret and use actually. On MT4 and MT5, the RSI Arrow Indicator places arrows in a separate window when RSI crosses key levels or reverses from overbought or oversold zones. Buy arrows typically appear below candles when RSI signals bullish conditions, such as rising from oversold territory, while sell arrows appear above candles when RSI indicates bearish conditions, like falling from overbought levels. The color-coded arrows help traders understand market direction instantly. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have, the inputs. The indicator is based on RSI calculations, which typically oscillate between 0 and 100, with overbought levels commonly set at 70 and oversold levels at 30. Traders can usually adjust RSI period settings, overbought and oversold thresholds, and arrow display preferences to match their trading style and time frame. As for who is for, the RSI Arrow Indicator is suitable for traders who rely on RSI for timing entries and exits and want a faster, more visual way to identify overbought and oversold reversals. It is a visual signal tool only and does not execute trades, and RSI-based signals can produce false indications during strong trends when prices remain overbought or oversold for extended periods. For best results, arrows should be confirmed with additional tools such as moving averages, support and resistance, or momentum indicators to reduce false signals and improve accuracy. You can download the RSI Arrow Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview highlights how visual arrow signals can streamline RSI analysis and help traders spot potential reversals more quickly. If you like RSI-based visual indicators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.